Hi friends, me once again. I broadcast for you live video now. I am going to off video, non-live video actually. I show you south part of Germany, southwest of Germany. This area called Black Forest. We have had, still we have cloud in haze over there. I go this direction back. I show you the river. You see the river here. This river comes from deep down on the mountain and goes to another direction, about 50 kilometers, I think. You see the tall trees here. Fortunately, the rain give up its empowerment. I show you a little bit here around, and I go back to the place where my car is parked. It's very nice area here. We have here a lot of wild animals are crossing the way, especially deers and many others. I personally didn't see the wildcat, but I heard a lot of wildcats are gathering here in this area because of good food, maybe, and maybe that's why. Okay, I'm going the way up, the hill up. And you know, I am not good talker, that's why maybe you won't hear to my voice. You want to see me again, here I am, and well, we're going up the late autumn. I actually don't like autumn. I like more spring and summer, but now is autumn. We can't do anything, nothing. Don't be worried, there are no bears and dangerous animals here. Maybe wildcat, but the cats like me because they smell like a cat. For sure we have fox here. A lot of fox are living in this area. We see one of them. Okay, I turn down. I show you another view. It's my, if you like another view, like railroad and bridge and so on. Just the rain don't give up, and I wonder if I don't get cold. Just downstairs. Be silent now, I don't talk. If you enjoy the voice of birds and listen to the sound of water, river actually. but we are getting away from the river, and you listen to the driving cars just not that far from us, from me, from you, and another side of camera. I show you now the railroad. Okay, first I go step up. You see the bridge, this is the road, this is the railroad. I show you area in former video the trees. Let's look if this train comes or not. And well, I don't think now comes this train. You see the haze from afar. Again, just from that direction. Let me just get up. Oh yeah, I would say it's now okay, and if you one more minute, see if there is any train now. We have to go there and there. I show you. Just walking beside the. I wouldn't say highway; it's a road. It's a special place for people. The bridge, you see the bridge? Nice. And well, just go down.